You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this character from from Dark Souls. He's an executioner. And how do you pronounce his name? This is a very interesting one, because you could have really many interpretations based on English pronunciation. It could rhyme with though, with through, with what else could it be? Scoff, all of those words have the same similar spelling at the end. And so you could say it's pronounced Smough, 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 and it's actually pronounced Smough. That rhymes with snow because his name comes from sumo, the Japanese fighters, sumo, and so that's a play on words on this. So it's actually Smough, Smough, because the Japanese say sumo as sumo, sumo. So that's actually Smough, the pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.